Hey guys, this is Zain Ahmad from Easy Teach You with Fun YouTube channel. I want to guide you guys why subscribe to my YouTube channel. How it's good for you. Here are some reasons you will love about my YouTube channel. Number 1. I'm always passionate to explain things step by step in my videos. Number 2. I want to make unique how-to videos, and now I'm focusing on unique things more attentively than usual, so upcoming videos can be more attentive and knowledgeable. Number 3. I love to make videos on reality instead of spreading fantasy. Number 4. I give value to my viewers by giving them knowledge or ideas about how to make money online. And obviously then expecting subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Number 5. I'm trying my best to make videos with proper research. Now what I want you to do guys, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. It will help you to get notified for my next videos. And obviously it will encourage me to make more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. This is Zain signing off.